Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we from group 13 would like to present the result of our discussion entitled Analysis of Rice Production and Land Rice in Delhi Regency Serdang, North Sumatra. I am the moderator with the name Ahmad Rafi'i NPM 198220193 and our group members are Abza Safira NPM 198220142 and Nelly Yuda Situmeang NPM 198220143.
Rice production in Delhi Serdang Legendary North Sumatra. Data reporting and evaluation. Basically, data is a good for a decision making to solve a problem. A decision is said to be a good of the decision is based on good data. One of the use of data to obtain data and find of description of situation or problem. To find out a description of the state or problem of rice production. In collecting data related to be this problem. The data obtained from the Department of Agriculture, Food Planting and Horticulture, Delhi Serdang Legendary data on production result, land area, and productivity, and office of the Central Bureau of Statistics of North Sumatra. The data area as follow. Ini adalah tabel pertama data hasil produksi padi, luas lahan, dan produktivitas di Kabupaten Delhi Serdang per sub-ron pada tahun 2008 sampai 2017. Analysis of rice and field rice production in North Sumatra. North Sumatra is one of Indonesia rice generis. It can be seen from a month of production. Indonesia rice production by provinsi can be seen in table 1. Tabel pertama, peringkat produksi padi terbesar berdasarkan provinsi pada tahun 2010 sampai 2014. Sumatera Utara mendapatkan peringkat kelima. North Sumatra rice production tends in increase every year. To maintain stability and increase rice production, overgement policies are needed. Pada tabel kedua, produksi padi, luas panen, dan hasil per hektar di Sumatera Utara pada tahun 2010 sampai 2014. Seperti ini tabelnya. Based on table 2, it can be seen that the rice production in North Sumatra is the area luas panen dan hasil per hektar di Sumatera Utara pada tahun 2010 sampai 2014. Seperti ini tabelnya. Based on table 2, it can be seen that the rice production in North Sumatra is the area of agricultural land. In 2013, there was a decrease in the area of agricultural land from the previous year, resulting in the decrease in rice supply in 2014.
Baiklah, di sini saya akan menjelaskan pada slide yang ketujuh. Tabel 2, produksi padi, luas lahan panen dan hasil per hektar di Sumatera Utara pada tahun 2010 sampai dengan 2014. Kita bisa melihat sama-sama tabel yang ada di samping. Based on table 2, it can be seen that rice production in North Sumatra is the area of agricultural land. In 2013, there was a decrease in the area of agriculture land from the previous year, resulting in a decrease in rice supply in 2014. Analysis of rice and field rice production in Central Java. The area of Central Java consists of 900 299,408 hektar of paddy fields and 2,297,932 hektar of non-rice fields. The rice fields have been used in 2005 are 3,257,932 hektar, while those that have not been used are 12,863 hektar. In detail, the land that has been used and has not been used is as shown in Table 1. Di sini kita bisa melihat tabel 1 jenis pemanfaatan lahan di Jawa Tengah tahun 2005 dan tabel 2 luas lahan pertanian di Jawa Tengah pada tahun 2005. Unused land, both wet and non-paddy fields, is due to several factors, including insufficient water supply due to erratic rainfall, limited capital for farmers, and other technical constraints. In detail, the level of land use in Central Java is as shown in Table 2. From the area of land that can be planted with rice twice a year is 299,122 hektar and planted with rice 1 year is 693,84 hektar. More as Table 3. Kita bisa lihat juga tabel 3 luas lahan yang dapat ditanam padi di Jawa Tengah tahun 2004. Analysis of rice and field rice production Sinjai Regency showed Sulawesi, the leading commodity in Sinjai Regency, especially for that make a major contribution to GRDP, is rice because it has the highest production among other food crops. The development of rice production in Sinjai Regency shows that rice production has fluctuated, increased 3 times from the first year and decreased in production in the 4th year.
Discussion of factors affecting rice production. In this discussion, the researcher wants to know what variables affect rice production. To discuss production, the researcher used 10 variables, while the 10 variables include the following: volume of urea fertilizer, volume of GA fertilizer, volume of seeds, pesticides, labor, land area, egg farming experience, education level by Jendami. There are 6 variables that affect direct life, namely the volume of urea fertilizer, GA, seeds, pesticides, labor, and land area used in rice production active, while the variables that have an indirect effect are 4, namely egg farming experience, education level, and territory dummy. Analysis of rice and field rice production in Indonesia. From the data from the Ministry of Agriculture for the last 5 years 2012 sampai 2016, the harvested area in Indonesia has increased the average rice harvested area to reach 12.445.524 hektar in 2012 and reach 15.156.952 hektar in 2016. During this period, the area increased significantly, only happened 3 times, namely from 2012 sampai 2013 and 2015 sampai 2016 respectively. 12.445.524, 13.835.252, 14.116.638, and 15.156.925, while in 2014 it decreased by 13.767.307, The highest increase in harvested area occurred in 2016, increasing by 14.119.628 hektar. Rice production. Production describes the relationship between the factors of production and the level of production credit. Habib 2013. The company goal in producing is to convert inputs into outputs. In agriculture, physical production is produced by the operation of several factors of production at once, including soil, seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, and labor. Effect of harvest area. Against rice production, harvested area in Indonesia continue to increase, although the area of rice field in Indonesia tends to be congested or increasingly narrow. This can happen because the harvested area is the result of multiplying the land area with the planting intensity.